Arriving at the apartment, Anna and Liam arrive at their new apartment for the first time.
Wow, we're finally here.
I know. The trip was so long.
Yeah, but we made it.
This building looks nice.
I like the trees outside.
Me too. It feels quiet here.
Let's check the apartment number again.
It's 204.
Ah, here it is.
Great. Do you have the key?
Yep, let me open the door.
I'm excited.
Me too. And a little nervous.
New city, new life.
Exactly.
Oh, the living room is bigger than I expected.
And there's a lot of light.
I love the windows.
We should put the sofa over there.
Good idea.
Are you tired?
A little, but I'm happy.
Same here.
Let's unpack slowly today.
Yeah, no rush.
I want to explore the neighborhood later.
Let's do that after dinner.
Sounds good.
Welcome home, Anna.
Thanks. Welcome home, Liam.
Meeting a neighbor. Anna and Liam meet their neighbor in the hallway.
Hi there.
Oh, hello.
Are you new here?
Yes, we moved in today.
Welcome to the building.
Thank you.
I'm Sarah. I live across the hall.
Nice to meet you. I'm Liam.
And I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you both.
Everyone seems friendly here.
Most people are pretty nice.
That's good to hear.
If you need anything, just ask.
Thanks. That's very kind.
There's also a grocery store nearby.
Really? That's helpful.
It's only 5 minutes away.
Perfect. We need groceries.
There's a good coffee shop too.
I already like this neighborhood.
Oh, and parking can be difficult at night.
Thanks for telling me.
We appreciate the advice.
No problem. Welcome again.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Taking a walk around the neighborhood, Anna and Liam explore the area together.
This neighborhood feels peaceful.
Yeah, I like it already.
Look at that small bakery.
It smells amazing.
Maybe we can go tomorrow morning.
Definitely.
Oh, there's a park over there.
That's nice. We should walk there sometime.
I see a lot of people walking dogs.
Everyone looks relaxed here.
That makes me feel comfortable.
Me too.
Hey, what's that store?
I think it's a bookstore.
I love bookstores.
I know you do.
Maybe I can find a part-time job there.
That's actually a great idea.
I should start job hunting soon.
Don't worry too much.
I know. I just want things to work out.
They will.
Thanks.
We're starting a new chapter together.
That sounds nice.
Because it's true.
Let's keep walking.
Lead the way.
Eating at a small restaurant. Anna and Liam try a local restaurant.
Hi, table for two?
Yes, please.
Right this way.
This place is cute.
Yeah, it feels cozy.
Here are your menus.
Thank you.
What looks good?
Maybe the chicken sandwich.
I might get a burger.
Their fries look good too.
Let's share them.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'll have the chicken sandwich.
And I'll have the cheeseburger.
What would you like to drink?
Lemonade, please.
Just water for me.
Great, I'll be right back.
The people here are so friendly.
Yeah, customer service feels different here.
In a good way?
Definitely.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too.
It already feels a little like home.
That's a good sign.
Looking for a job. Online. Anna starts searching for jobs at home.
There are so many job websites.
What kind of job do you want?
Maybe office work or customer service.
You'd be great at that.
Thanks.
Did you update your resume?
Not yet. I should do that tonight.
I can help you.
Really?
Of course.
I'm nervous about interviews in English.
That's normal.
What if I make mistakes?
Everyone makes mistakes.
True.
The important thing is communication.
I guess so.
And your English is improving.
Thanks for saying that.
You've worked hard.
I want to feel more confident.
You will with practice.
Maybe I should practice common interview questions.
That's a smart idea.
Let's do that tomorrow.
Sounds like a plan.
Grocery store shopping. Anna and Liam go grocery shopping for the first time in their new neighborhood.
Wow, this grocery store is huge.
Yeah, it's bigger than our old one.
Where should we start?
Maybe the vegetable section.
Good idea. We need onions and tomatoes.
And milk.
Don't forget eggs.
Right.
Excuse me, where's the bread?
It's in aisle 7.
Thank you.
Aisle is a useful word.
Yeah, I hear it a lot in stores.
Which bread do you want?
Maybe this one.
Whole wheat?
Yep, it looks healthy.
Should we buy snacks too?
Just a few.
You always say that.
Ha ha, I know.
Oh, look at these frozen pizzas.
That could be dinner tomorrow.
Easy and cheap.
Perfect for us right now.
Let's check out.
Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Your total is $42.50.
Here's my card.
Our first grocery trip here is complete.
We survived.
Taking the bus. Anna takes the bus alone for the first time.
I think this is the right bus stop.
Let's check the map again.
Bus 22 goes downtown, right?
Yeah, that's what it says.
I'm a little nervous.
You'll be fine.
Public transportation is different here.
Just ask the driver if you're unsure.
Okay.
Good morning.
Hi. Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it does.
Great, thank you.
No problem.
How much is the fare?
It's $2.50.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I did it.
See? Easy.
I'm learning little by little.
That's how it starts.
Should I sit near the window?
Sure.
I like watching the city.
Text me when you arrive.
I will.
Have fun downtown.
Thanks. Talk to you later.
Anna visits a coffee shop alone. Anna goes to a coffee shop by herself and orders in English.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Can I have a medium latte?
Sure. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
Maybe a blueberry muffin too.
Great choice.
Thanks.
What's your name?
Anna.
Okay, Anna. Your total is $8.25.
Here you go.
Thanks. It'll be ready soon.
Thank you.
No problem.
Ordering in English still feels scary sometimes.
You're doing great.
Oh, thank you.
I moved here from Brazil last year.
Really?
Yeah. I was nervous too at first.
That makes me feel better.
It gets easier with practice.
I hope so.
Medium latte for Anna.
That's me.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Maybe I can really do this.
Liam's first day at work. Liam starts his new job.
Good morning. You must be Liam.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you. I'm excited to be here.
Let me show you around the office.
Sounds good.
This is the meeting room.
It's very nice.
And over here is the break room.
Oh, there's free coffee?
Always important.
Definitely.
Hi, I'm Helen.
Nice to meet you. I'm Liam.
Where did you move from?
Seattle.
Oh, nice. How do you like it here so far?
So far, so good.
That's great.
Your desk is right here.
Perfect.
We'll start with some training today.
Okay.
Don't worry if it feels overwhelming at first.
Thanks. I appreciate that.
Everyone feels lost on the first day.
That actually helps a lot.
Ready to begin?
Ready.
Talking about their new life. Anna and Liam talk at home at the end of the week.
This week went by fast.
Yeah, it really did.
We've done a lot already.
New apartment, new stores, new jobs.
Well, I still need a job.
You're getting closer.
I hope so.
Did you enjoy the coffee shop today?
I did.
You sounded more confident on the phone earlier.
Really?
Definitely.
That makes me happy.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks. I'm proud of us too.
Moving here was a big step.
Yeah. A little scary, but exciting too.
Exactly.
Do you think we'll like living here?
I think we already do.
Maybe you're right.
What should we do tomorrow?
Let's explore more of the city.
Sounds perfect.
And maybe try that bakery.
Now that's an excellent plan.
I'm starting to feel at home here.
Me too.